to explain differential equation from this question. D square minus 8d plus 15 into y equals to 0 in the form of f of d y equals to 0. Consider its solution. Auxiliary equation f of m equals to 0. Replace with the d m square minus 8m plus 15 equals to 0. Minus 8 factors. M square minus 8m minus 5m plus 15 equals to 0. M common. M into m minus 3 minus 5 taking a common. M minus 3 equals to 0. M minus 3 into m minus 5 equals to 0. M equals to 3 comma 5. Complementary function. Yc equals to c1 e power 3x plus c2 e power 5x. This is clear.